On March 15, 2025, former President Donald Trump invoked the Alien Enemies Act of 1798 to accelerate the deportation of certain non-citizens, primarily targeting Venezuelan nationals allegedly involved in criminal activities. The law, originally enacted during heightened tensions with France, grants the president the authority to detain and deport nationals from foreign countries deemed hostile to the United States. It has been used sparingly in U.S. history, most notably during the War of 1812, World War I, and World War II. Trump's move focused on members of the Venezuelan gang Tren de Aragua, which was designated a transnational criminal organization in early 2025. His administration argued that the group's violent activities, including human trafficking, extortion, and drug smuggling, posed an imminent threat to national security. By invoking the Alien Enemies Act, Trump sought to bypass conventional immigration procedures, allowing for immediate removals rather than prolonged legal battles. The announcement was met with swift opposition from civil rights organizations and legal experts, who questioned the legality of applying a wartime measure outside of an official state of war. Advocacy groups, including the American Civil Liberties Union (ACLU), filed lawsuits arguing that using the law in peacetime violates constitutional protections, particularly due process rights. Critics warn that this precedent could allow future administrations to target other immigrant groups under vague security claims. Within hours, U.S. District Judge James E. Boasberg issued a temporary restraining order, blocking the deportations. The judge emphasized that the Alien Enemies Act had historically been applied only during formal wartime against specific nations, making its use in this context highly questionable. The ruling prevented the immediate deportation of 5 Venezuelan nationals and halted flights scheduled for removal. Trump's decision has reignited debates over immigration enforcement, executive power, and national security. Supporters argue that strong measures are necessary to combat organized crime, while opponents warn against the erosion of legal safeguards. The legal battle over this decision is expected to continue in the courts, setting the stage for another contentious immigration showdown in the 2024 election cycle.